unbelievable. Hi guys, welcome back. We're on tour with Dridgers. If you're new here, we're a full-time travel couple from the UK. We are currently in Bangkok and we're just about to go to our first ever Premier League Thai football game. We are at one of 7 teams, 2 are in the Premiership and 1's in the city. We're in Klong Toei and we're about to go and see Port F.C. Oh, I cannot wait.
We haven't got tickets yet, so wish us luck. We're just turning up and hoping we can get some. He's got a collar, so he's loved. So many cats around this area. That's why I was quite pleased when he said he was going through it. Oh, food smells quite nice. Oh, another cat, ginger cat. We've got some fruit. This area is really good with like local produce and products and food and everything and cats. Alright, we've made it to the gate just by following these people. Oh wow, this looks like wow good, doesn't it? So we followed a Canadian guy who's obviously moved here. Everyone's got their football t-shirts on. There's loads of like food going on. Ooh, this looks good. But our Canadian friend said you can get tickets up here on the right. We're going to head to the right. Should we get tickets first?
Yeah.
Get tickets first. We'll do what you want once we've got. We're going to go for the cheapest one. Looks like 120 baht for zone B, C and D. See that there?
Together. E? Yeah. Yeah, okay.
What's she saying?
Behind the goal.
Oh, Ben. Is that bad behind the goal?
No, it's when you see a goal going, you right behind it.
Then you're more likely to get a football to your face.
If you want to be beyond the goal for good to see.
This is my 3rd football game abroad, and it's abroad again.
I've never been to football.
I've never been. I know, it's mad. Oh, look at these skewers.
Right, we got 40 minutes till kick-off. We've got our tickets. We might as well get a beer. Yeah.
Beer there? Beer here.
Where are you from?
England.
Where are you from? Bangkok.
India.
India?
You're from India?
Whereabouts? I was in India last month. Oh, I have Leo. Leo, one big, one. Do you want anything?
No, I'm alright at the moment.
One.
Why'd you ask me if I wanted a beer then?
Because you might get in the spirit.
I hate beer. I'd rather drink cat piss.
How much? How much?
75. We found a spot to sit down. As you can see, Ben got his beer. 75 baht. I thought that was really reasonable.
I think that's well cheap, but I mean, considering like where we are, I'm buzzing here. This is like the proper warm-up for the game. I'm getting in the mood now. I can't wait. A little bit gutted I haven't got a shirt. So.
I know. I thought there might have been someone selling them. I haven't seen
I've seen scarves, but I haven't seen shirts.
We'll have a little walk around the food stores in a bit. I wouldn't mind like something to eat.
I think you can come out here at half time.
Oh really?
Yeah.
I wonder if you could take a drink in there. It's about time to go in, but you can't go to a football game without getting any popcorn, so we're getting some popcorn. Popcorn! Which popcorn, Ben? Cheese, mixed or sweet?
Sweet.
Sweet?
หวานนะครับ30 บาทครับ
Thank you. Come on, cat. Woo, popcorn. Now I need a cold drink. You're alright. I'm going to get like a Coke or something to take in. I'm like hot and thirsty. And then maybe we'll come out at half time and get some more food. See what there is. Oh, the skewers smell amazing. We're going to come back out and get a burger later. Half time snack, Ben.
Oh yeah,
Definitely. Hello. What should I get? Surprise me.
Iced tea?
No, not iced tea. It's
No?
too sweet. That one. I'll have that one.
Cup?
Alright, we've got a popcorn and I've got the green Fanta flavour. I'm not sure on the flavour actually. Ooh.
I've never even seen the green before.
I don't actually know what it is. Try it. Bubblegum maybe. Is that bubblegum?
Yeah, bubblegum.
Mine's with bubblegum. That was 25 baht. Hello. Alright, we're going to head in now. We think we haven't got seats. It's just like sit anywhere in zone B kind of thing. Got our tickets ready. We're heading in. Thank you. Get stamped, Ben. Ben. Thank you. Got a stand. So you can get back in easy because obviously we're going to jump back out at half time. Whoa, this looks pretty cool.
Yeah, sit anywhere, it's not even seats. So
oh, well. Is this all zone B then, would you say?
8 minutes of the game starts, it's still really empty in here. Obviously, there's like hundreds and hundreds of people downstairs, so I reckon it's going to get a little bit more busy. The ground's actually smaller than I thought. I thought this was about a 12,000 seater. I read a couple of different things online, but it looks a little bit smaller than that. I don't know. Yeah, let me know in the comments.
I'm pretty excited though. These seats are really cool. It feels a little bit American-y. What's going on? Bucket of popcorn though. If you're going to get me to a football game, you have to feed me like things like this. So popcorn, fizzy drink. Oh, that is really good popcorn. It's like really caramelised. So we went for the sweet one. That was really good.
And we're just about to kick off. There's a few flags just come out now. So the atmosphere's starting to get a little bit more hyper. How do you not know what's going on?
Well, just kicking a football about, aren't they?
Yeah, and what do they have to do?
Make sure the other person don't get it in their goal.
You know what's
I
going
feel
on
like Port F.C. is doing better though, would you say?
Yeah, they're attacking stronger, they're stronger.
Yeah. Oh, here he comes! Oh, go on. I feel like I'm going to get a ball in the face because I'm like, we're not happy about something there.
Handball.
How was it?
Right, we're like 30 minutes into the game. Have a look at this lot, the ultras over it. I'm gonna... That lot, like, they stand up all game, singing with a drum and stuff. But we're over in the quiet section, so I just walked down there to have a look. First time we've heard the Chiangrai fans are starting to sing now, so obviously they're trying to get behind their team, trying to get them going. Oh, they're over there, look, in that bit there. Haven't heard nothing from all game. Just started to hear them. Getting a bit of confidence, I think. To be honest, right, there hasn't been like a great deal that's happened. There haven't been like clear-cut chances or anything like that. No like big decisions or anything, so. Just hit the bar. Everyone went a bit mental. Getting closer, but yeah, the ground's really filling up now. Right, half time. 0-0, not the best game in the world, but yeah, the last 10 minutes was we were much more on top. Let's go and get a beer.
Half time and it is 0-0, so we're gonna go and grab a snack. I swear someone's mum is in the audience. She keeps shouting. Must be her son playing. She's going, ah! It's quite mental.
She might just be a passionate supporter.
Nah, I feel like it's a mum. Look how mental it is. Oh gosh, look at this guy. It's a soccer end, we must be. Grabbing a burger, but I think he's getting a beer. Here you go, get a beer here. Watch out, you're going to walk into someone. Not actually allowed beers in there, so he's got to drink it in the half time. How long is half time, Ben?
15 minutes.
15.
Or is that a cup and cab?
Green car burger. That's what
You
I'm
get a
going
burger?
for. Yeah. You get one?
Maybe.
Ah, I knew you would. You're right there, Ben. Taking a picture.
Sorry, I was Snapchatting my pals.
You ain't got no pals. This is the only burger van here, or whatever you call it. And it's quite busy actually.
Burger cart, it's a car.
Burger cart, you can have chicken, beef, not sure what else. You can have cheese, egg. We went for cheese and egg. 2 of them, 110 baht. I'm buzzing for this. They look good. They're the nicest people here, they're so friendly.
This one.
Green car burger. Well, it's the only burger place here, so they're gonna be great. But they're putting so much in there, it's like a Ramley burger, it reminds me of. Thank you. Oh, burger. Wait for yours. These look wow good.
These are awesome.
Look at all the fillings in it.
They're like little mini like Big Macs.
You got a bit of everything in there.
Oh, that is unbelievable.
That is really good burger. I think we're going to head back in, but Ben needs to finish his beer. This is one of the best burgers I've had in a long time. It looks like they've scored! We're heading back in. Ben's trying to down his beer. Are you still going? Come on!
I'm trying to rush it down.
Take the lid off and drink it like a grown-ass adult!
Drink it like a man.
Not through the bloody straw! He's a man now!
All the lads are watching me.
Let's head back in. We don't know if that was a goal or not, so let's go and find out. Oh, it is a goal. It's 1-0.
Oh,
What's a goal? I told you. We're heading down the other end where the ultras are. We'll join in.
So the disallowed goal, they're checking it on like VAR.
They got it, they're allowed.
Oh, the goal counts. I didn't even know they had VAR, but yeah, they got the goal.
We are now 2-1 down. What a shame. What a shame. We were doing so well. We're going to go. There's only about 10 minutes left. We're still 2-1 down. But we don't want to be like hit by the crowd when we leave, so we're going to make our move. Like a lot of people are playing out here. They've got like the white stuff that you had at soccer around and like water guns.
They're still playing soccer around here.
Yeah, I'm getting a bit, where is he? I don't mind the water. That's cold. I don't mind the water, I just don't want the white stuff on my face. Look how many people are still outside while the game's on though.
Yeah, I think it's...
Choo, choo, choo. He's getting me.
I think it's still open like all the way through the game, so people just come and go.
Oh, it's really nice. That was a good idea.
Yeah.
It's always like a big party everywhere you go in Thailand. I love it. It's the one thing I love about Thailand. There's always something going on.
I must say, Thai Premier League, really, really, really good. Really good atmosphere. A lot of families, loads and loads of kids. It's sort of like a street market, like a big, massive street market outside the stadium.
That's well nice.
And everyone, they stamp your hand, and everyone just comes and goes. So they get a beer, they get a bit of food.
It's not strict, which is so nice about it.
It's not strict. We've been all over the world, and they've been a bit strict with our camera and stuff. There, they don't care. It's quite on, isn't it?
I was walking past the security and they didn't care.
Yeah.
Every time.
Every time I've done that. How many times have I done the metro? Maybe
God
a million.
knows.
Maybe a million.
Probably more than you've ever done the tube in England.
Yeah, maybe 1,012,000. But yeah, still can't get it right.
So we've just done the metro. It was only 3 stops and it was 21 baht. Metro is like super cheap. This is what we use, like Sky Trains, metros, BTS, whatever you want to call it. They're super cheap to get around the city. Taxi, it would cost you probably 5 times the amount.
Our top tip, right, if you come to Bangkok, stay near or in around Blue Line. The Blue Line is cheap.
now we've got to jump on the BTS, which is about 8 stops, I think.
Sukhumvit line, 8 stops.
And it's normally about 40, 42 baht, something like that.
Yeah, it's quite a long trek to get home for us.
Yeah, Ben keeps booking us out of the city.
Cheaper, isn't it?
Not too busy, should be about 8 stops on it. Oh, we've made it back to our area. An hour, but it weren't too bad actually, it went really quick. We didn't make any mistakes either, did we? We actually got on the right line.
Gonna finish the video here. Probably gonna go home, order some food, go to sleep, do like normal things.
I'm tired.
But make sure you watch the next video because we're gonna try the best food around our area. So subscribe.
Right. To your right.
Yeah? How cool's that? The time. Side of a building, I love that. You want to know the time? There's the time.
But I do feel like I walk up a shit loads of stairs all the time.
Yeah.
I suppose it's good for your bum, so.
Don't see a bad bum around here, do you? Not that I've noticed.